everybody. Yes, it's me again, that fella from Chesterfield, but you know who I am, don't you? Yes, you do. Right. This is just a quick light-hearted video. Now then, something happened to me and my mate last year. Just take a look at this little video. Wow, that reservoir's low. Whoops. Where's he come from? Crikey. I didn't see him coming. Adventure boys, they have to go fast. Now then, I don't know if you picked up on that, but two adventure bikes come sailing past us, no problem. Made me jump when it went past. Wasn't expecting it. I wasn't looking in my mirror. I didn't see him behind me. Yeah, my fault. Hold my hands up. I make mistakes. But when he went past the first one, did you notice? He did an aggressive kick with his leg like that. And then when he went past my mate, he does it again. Yeah. And when we got to the next stop, I said to my pal, why did them adventure bikes do that? I says, I've seen them do it before. He says, I don't know. Anyway, time rolls on. And I couldn't wait up. I thought, I've never seen this before. Never heard of it. Never noticed it before. I thought, it must be something adventure bikes do, because I'd seen it before with an adventure bike, and then them two did it. Well, that one of those two. Excuse me, frog in my throat. And yeah, afterwards I had it happen 2, maybe 3 times again. And it just so happened that it was adventure bike riders passing us on country lanes, which it's more excuse me, adventure bike riders on country lanes, isn't it? And old men on Enfields. So I said to my mate, I says, I've seen it again. He says, right. We stopped somewhere, I forget where it was. And he goes across to 2 blokes with adventure bikes and he says, what's all this kicking business when you go past us then? What does that mean? And these blokes looked at us, got out and said, oh, I don't know, never heard of that, pal. And I thought no more about it. I thought, my mate says, you're imagining it, you are. I says, I'm not. I says, I've seen it. Anyway, it's just gone away in my mind, you know. You forget about things, don't you? And then I saw a video on YouTube a couple of days ago, and it's virtually gone viral. And this bloke overtakes a guy on Harley Davidson, and then they come to some traffic lights and the guy on the Harley Davidson pulls up at the side of him, rips into this lad on this bike. Why didn't you kick your leg out? You've got to show respect when you overtake, blah blah. And he went mental at this youth. And anyway, the guy tells him, oh, just F off, you know, thinking he's having a bit of a seizure or something, this fella. And then he starts threatening to beat him up. I thought, that's what happened to me, that kicking leg. It must be a rule I don't know about. So, does anybody kick the leg out at you? Do you know about kicking leg out rule? I must have missed the email, as they say, because I knew nothing about it. And do you know of any other rules that I might not know about? Because I'm old and, you know, I'm not down with the kids. So if there's some new rules, I need to be knowing about them before I get threatened at traffic lights by angry men on Harley Davidsons or any other kind of bike. Yeah, so I just thought it was amusing, and then it took this video for me to realise what it was all about. It must be a thing. But it's not a thing in England, or it wasn't. Is it from America, this thing? I mean, I've seen in America they drop the left hand down like that, don't they? But we drive on the wrong side of the road for that, don't we? We'd be waving to the people on the footpath if we did that. I mean, back in the day with the old British bikes, everybody put their hand up to each other. Hey up mate, you'll stop, won't you, if I break down? Yeah, and you'll stop for me, won't you? Yeah, spark plug in every pocket, spare condenser, spare plug lead, full set of spanners, spare chain, oh yes, patches, tyre levers, yeah, when men were men and biking was, yeah, you had your heart in your mouth when you set off. But yeah, isn't it funny how things come around to you? So just a little bit of light-hearted banter, this one. And while I'm on, oh yeah, the video, the angry biker video, yeah, I don't know how to put links on. I'll see if I can do it when I do the editing. But if you go in the search box and type in Ronnie Pickering biker, 3 words, Ronnie Pickering biker, and if you know about Ronnie Pickering, you'll realise why this guy's titled this video Ronnie Pickering, because Ronnie Pickering was a viral video from about, I bet it's 15 years ago now. A young lad on his scooter overtook a car, and this guy pulls up at the side of him. Do you know who I am? I'm Ronnie Pickering. Oh, not yet. Just because the lad was overtaking him. Yes, there's some angry people out there. Be careful, folks, be careful. Yeah, so if you put that in the search engine, you'll see it. And if you're looking for things to watch, if you like going to Matlock Bath, I just watched one, and it was Charlie Veitch. If you know about Charlie Veitch, V-E-I-T-C-H. His videos aren't usually my cup of tea, but he put one on. He went to Matlock to check out the outlaws and the biker gangs in Matlock Bath, and it was a really it was a good video by the end of it, because he realised that everybody he spoke to with a leather jacket on or a helmet was a really nice person. How about that then? Yeah, we're all nice people, aren't we? Deep down, we're all good, aren't we? Well, that's what I like to think. So, hope everybody's keeping well. Hope you're enjoying the sunshine and getting out on your bikes. I can hear bikes in the background now. Some young lad giving it the beans. He's giving it the beans. Yes, enjoy your bikes, but ride safe. So, until the next time, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye now. Ta-ta. Ta-ta.